What's up, I'm Bowien with Matches Fashion, and today I'm going to show you my favorite way to cook leafy green vegetables in 3 minutes using 5 ingredients. I've got garlic, chili, salt, olive oil. This happens to be like a Japanese broccoli rabe. Broccoli rabe works great here as well. Anything long and leafy is fine. I like to cut this into like 1-inch pieces. And the secret to this is that you're just gonna rinse under some cold water, and whatever water sticks to the vegetable, you're just gonna leave that on there, and that's what's gonna actually steam the greens. Outside of that, you're not adding any water or anything else to this. It's super simple. In cold water, give it a nice rinse. Into a hot pan, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It's kind of a lot, but you need it for this. Garlic goes in. We're gonna go over here. Well, you want this garlic to kind of toast. I'm gonna add 1 of these chilies. These are oil-cured Calabrian chilies. They're my actual favorite. If you can't find these, you can use dried chili, fresh chili, whatever you want. Fill up the pan, let it get really hot, let it really toast. Then kill the heat so that it doesn't come on fire. You're gonna add your greens. Turn the heat back on. Add about a teaspoon of salt. You really want this to be super hot. Stir this. And as soon as the water cooks out of the vegetable, it's completely done. So, again, not adding any liquid to this. And you're gonna leave the heat on high the entire time, right? You can see the water from the pan causes the heat to come down. The water from the vegetable cools the pan down a little bit. So once the heat recovers and the water cooks out, it's done. This will take about a minute. And you want it to be really nice and beautiful and shiny like that. Like that. You can look here, you can see the water. You want to have a little bit of liquid in the pan still, but not a ton. Like that. It's done. It'll continue to cook once you pull it off the heat. Here we go. My favorite leafy green vegetables. 3 minutes using 5 ingredients. Thanks a lot again. I'm Danny with Matches Fashion.